In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to share Roblox Studio with friends. Let's start this by opening the Roblox Studio and then choose the game experience that you want to share with your friends. For now, let's select this one. Once the game is loaded, then go over to the top part where you can see the Home, Model, Avatar, Test, View, and Plugins option. Click on the View option and then make sure that the Team Create option is turned on. Click on the Team Create and click Save to Roblox in the menu on the left. Now, enter a name for your game and make sure that the button beside the Team Create is turned on, then click the Save button. Wait for a while to save the Roblox game and it will reload it. Once done reloading the game, then let's move to the next step. Go over to the top right part where you can see the share icon. Simply click on it. Now, add users or groups if you want. Make sure that the user you added is your friend on the Roblox, as only friends can have edit access. Now simply search for your friend's username and then add it. After adding it, then click on the Save button below. Now if your friend opens the game experience and starts editing, you'll see it here on the Team Create and on the Live Collaborators. Now, for your friend to see your shared Roblox Studio, then your friend simply needs to go to the Creators Hub. For example, this account is your friend. Click on the Create button above to open the Creators Hub page. In the Creators Hub, click on the Creations option on the left. Under the Experiences, click on the Shared with Me option, and it will show here the Roblox Studio that you have shared. And that's basically it.